Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am looking at so many patterns at the moment, especially on the 4 hour time frame, and it seems like every single place we're having head and shoulders appearing. We have head and shoulders on the daily with Pepe as well. We have head and shoulders so many places. Now there is one thing I have to make it absolutely clear to you, that an uptrend requires the blocks to be executed. What I mean by this is that if you have any type of obstacles along your way, you must remove them in order for you to start to push to the upside, right? But if you're not going to have that obstacles removed out of the way, it means that you are going to be pushed back by the bears. And this is exactly what the current situation really is. You have all the resistances here which are being rejected, and you still have the threat to go down at the moment. But I kind of think that we are going to see, a push to the upside. Something tells me that we probably may actually just end up moving up as well. I don't know what it is. It's just a guts feeling, but logically and realistically, we have not invalidated anything to go back to the upside. We're still having troubles. The next thing is also that if I show you Bitcoin right now, then Bitcoin is struggling with this trend line at the moment. Okay, so previously it has touched the trend line a couple of times and it has been rejected. One touch and a move down, a touch, move down. You can see rejections here, and this is another rejection which still shows that Bitcoin is failing to cross above here. So if it does cross above it, then I think it's time to really go to $120,000. Okay. Because again, it's the obstacle that you really have to destroy. That's the obstacle. Destroy it, and then you are free. You break through prison, you kiss the guards goodbye, and then you move back home. Okay, that's just how the logic really is working. Even worse, if I show you one more thing, is that when I go back and I dive into the 4 hour time frame, notice that Bitcoin is also printing in a negative pattern. This is ascending broadening wedge at the moment. Okay, and you're also making it up at the resistance level. And if I show you RSI, well, what do you have? You have a bearish divergence at the moment. So this is what has happened until now, and it's my job to just show you this. So the thing is, Bitcoin is looking weird at the moment. You have Pepe, which is also moving down at the moment. So I don't know, maybe there is a chance that you fall down, but what I will say is that, again, only be bullish if we see a break above, if we see Bitcoin breaking above. People say, why don't you tell us if it's going to move up or not? Thing is, there is a condition. There is no definite answer. There will never be a definite answer. But at least you do have the condition. At least you do have invalidations if they will happen for you to enter. You see, thing is, if you're trying to short, play with a stop loss. If it actually comes up, if you don't want to take the shorts and you're waiting for the buying opportunity, wait for that invalidation to happen, then you have the buying opportunity. Just simple as that, man. And if you don't get this, well, if you're not getting any chances with Pepe, there are 26,000 other different coins in crypto which you can check out. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.